Hello, I'm Charlotte Atchley, editor of Baking and Snack, and this is a Baking and Snack Tech Expert. In our December issue, Rob Berube, technical service manager for Church Dwight, shared about the many benefits potassium bicarbonate brings to baked goods. Today, he'll share more on how to use this ingredient in your bakery application. Thanks for joining me today, Rob.
Thanks, Charlotte.
So let's start off with those benefits. What benefits does potassium bicarbonate bring to a bakery formulation?
Well, the most often the reason for using potassium bicarbonate is to reduce the sodium level of it in a baked good. And so using potassium bicarbonate, you can substitute directly for the sodium bicarbonate in the formula and get the same functionality. Obviously, you'll reduce the total amount of sodium in the product, and also get the benefit of additional potassium. So that is, an improvement on the nutritional panel in two ways.
That's excellent. So if bakers are looking to reduce their sodium, what kind of sodium reduction can they expect when they use potassium bicarbonate?
When you substitute with potassium bicarbonate, you can get sodium reductions up to 50%, depending on the formulation and how it's constructed. And then, as far as the potassium addition, you can increase potassium daily value by 8%.
Excellent. So how will a bakery formulation or even the process need to be adjusted when incorporating potassium bicarbonate into that bakery formulation?
Typically, because of the difference in molecular weight between sodium bicarbonate and potassium bicarbonate, you would need 19% more of the potassium bicarbonate to deliver the same amount of carbon dioxide. However, with the Kudos blends Coda 50 and Coda 100 that Church Dwight is offering, you can often get a 1-for-1 replacement. Okay, so you don't have to add that additional 19% to get a good product. So this, of course, leads to economies also in the amount of leavening acid that needs to be used. And for those formulations that are not completely neutralized with a leavening acid, you would cut back on the additional browning that might occur. So overall, these are excellent products for sodium reduction, both functionally and also economically.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much, Rob, for joining me today on this Baking and Snack Tech Expert.